The Dewalt 20V Cordless Tiller offers the convenience of being battery-powered, which means you can enjoy gardening without the hassle of cords or gas. Equipped with a robust 300-watt motor and a rotation speed of 270 revolutions per minute, this tiller is perfect for keeping your garden's soil loose and healthy. Its 48 durable steel tines and a tilling width of 8.7 inches make it suitable for small to medium-sized gardens, effectively handling weeding and soil management. The safety switch and ergonomic handle design enhance ease of use, allowing you to work longer with less fatigue during your gardening tasks. Featuring a detachable handle and pole, the tiller is easy to disassemble for compact storage, making it a practical choice for gardeners with limited space. Included with the tiller is a high-output 20-volt 4.0 ampere-hour battery and a rapid charger, ensuring you have extended runtime and quick recharge capabilities.